Welcome to a new 3-part series of Are You Addicted to Food? Part 1, no, but that's kind of the point. Part 2, maybe, because chips. And then Part 3, how to hack the system. Part 1, you need calories to survive. All food is calories. Without calories, you would not survive. How many times have you heard someone say, man, I am so hooked on this oxygen and breathing thing? Or, drinking water, it's such a problem for me, I probably should stop. I'm addicted. No. Both of those statements are ridiculous, because both of those are things that are needed for human existence and survival. So is consuming food and calories. So on a basic level, is the word addiction appropriate for something that keeps you alive? I think not. Moving forward, most of the time, food cravings are specific. You don't crave a pile of granulated sugar by itself, usually. Or a raw potato. Ew. It's the fried potato. The sugar that is fried in fat with a little bit of salt. It's hyperpalatable foods that trigger this addictive behavior. Why? Because human bodies are created for survival when it comes to eating behavior. We are built to be hyper-focused on food and eating behavior because that's the point. And our hormonal response to food supports this. Say hello to your happy hormones. Cannabinoids and opioids aren't on here, and oxytocin not so much, but hello to the other three. Let's focus on dopamine. Dopamine is a find-and-seek hormone. When a caveman found a hyperpalatable food, dopamine was released in the brain. It told the caveman to A, eat that hyperpalatable food so they could get the nutrients and store the extra calories as fat. It also told the caveman to remember where they found the food so they could be motivated to find the food again. So that this could become a habit, so they ate these foods and they wouldn't die. All good things. Dopamine is associated with wanting food. Cannabinoids are associated with liking food, and opioids are associated with the value of food. They're also associated with seeking reward-based behavior. In regards to the other hormones, serotonin makes us happy, makes us sleepy, and then endorphins actually relieve pain, reduce stress, and induce feelings of euphoria. Unfortunately, we don't live in a time of food scarcity, and hyperpalatable food is everywhere. So one of the reasons why we feel like we're addicted, because hyperpalatable foods give us a positive hormonal response. And because our brains are plastic, and we can create habit loops, i.e. using a brownie to make me feel better after a hard day's work, our brain and our body associate that food with a positive hormonal response. So over time, I feel like I need that food to make me feel better. So in the third video, we'll talk about ways to get happy hormones that are not food related. So are you addicted to food? No. But we've taught ourselves that hyperpalatable foods gives us a positive hormonal response. I hope you learned something.